Good evening, everyone. This is going to be a video of a recap of what I did today, March 13th, 2025, day trades, and also the plan that I have for tomorrow, and go over the day trades I made today, and also go over two stocks that are on my long-term portfolio. Out of those 30 that I have, these two have been doing all right, and others as well, but this ones have been doing better. Now let's go to the first one. It's CRVO. I haven't traded it. This is a fumble trade here. I was starting to accumulate, and then I decided, I didn't want to deal with it, and just sold even. So I always kind of start 100 lots and add, depending on what's happening. But I just scratched it, and I didn't trade it anymore. Now I'm watching it for tomorrow. Substantially below VWAP. This line over here at 550, I'll be looking to see support. So I've been looking, see if it holds support at 550 line. You look at the daily. It's the third day now, so T+1, right? Maybe we can see a push into 650 or 7, and I'll be ready to you know capitalize on that if I see a push into that. Um, Go ahead and put an alert here at this resistance 615. Put an alert and see if we can at least go back to VWAP on a short covering on day 3. Next is MRM. Some kind of news after hours. So somebody is doing an investment, $60 million investment, something. It's a Japanese company. Um, there's some confusion apparently that it's like rehashed news, like it happened in December, and there's some argument that it's another investment or it's the same investment. I don't know. I was trying to trade it here, and then I sold for a little loss. Lost 42 bucks. I thought it was going to break out after the VWAP break and started to accumulate. And then when it failed, it tried to come back to VWAP, failed, and it's now trying to. This is a 68% Fibonacci line right here, and this is a 50% Fibonacci. So it's still strong. I'm not going to trade it anymore today. I'll probably watch it for tomorrow. We'll see if we can get a push and hold this area here, the $1 mental area of interest. I might jump in and try to ride it. We'll see what happens. RGC was a monster move here in the afternoon. Caught it. It's just 100 shares just to participate. At 965, I think, was my average. Started selling on the way up. Of course, I sold too soon, right? 16 after hours. Just these plays, man, I don't have too much patience. So yeah, whatever. I got 127 bucks, and then, I don't know, what was it, 10, maybe 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. That's fine. That's fine with me. I'll be watching for tomorrow. If it holds VWAP, tomorrow is day 2, so it might just consolidate for a while. I don't think it's gonna do too much tomorrow. It's just a big move today, so maybe on day 3 I'll keep it on watch. Um, PD got earnings after hours. This is one that I hold in my long-term portfolio. I'm down on it. My average is around 18 bucks with this stock for the long term. Market's been really bad, so that's part of it. But anyways, I added, this is in a interactive brokers account. I have about, I think it's like probably now 350 shares. So I added, right when the news came out, I added at 16, and then, lowered my average to 18. my average was around 1950 or something. So I added and lowered it to 18. But then again, I'm thinking long term with this company. See what happens. It's been pretty beat up, so hopefully it can come back. Next one is ZENA is going into day 3 tomorrow. Pull back today. You know, this big push yesterday, I didn't trade it. Pull back today on the daily. Inside day. Looking for a push tomorrow. Maybe try and test 450 again. I'll be there to participate if that's the case. And I think that's you know, it's been holding this line over here, the 390 or so line. And ideally, if it, you know, we can get we get a weak open, I might be able to get it around 370, 365, 370, and then hopefully we can get a push back to VWAP at 430s or so. You know, considering that it's day 3, and then you know, there could be some short covering into the 3rd day T+1 setup. SSP, today I traded it, just got a few bucks on it. 253 bought in the morning, and then started selling around 270s or so. Got about 70 bucks in there. Nothing special. It's gonna be the 3rd day. I don't anticipate it to, you know, go in too much. Probably some consolidation the next few days, and then a push to 310. I think they had earnings. Yeah, they had earnings, and yeah, that was it. Something about breaking records because of the all this media about Trump and his talking and all that. And then got LFWD. There's a trade I made in the morning. It just is, I lost, yeah, about 73 bucks in that trade. That sucked. Then again, trying to get a breakout. First 100, and then add it. It's trying to accumulate, you know, but it just faded hard, and I sold. It happens with these. It happens with these small caps. So, but you can see it just faded all the way down. If I had held, it was going to be pretty ugly. So I sold it to 11 and got rid of it. SNES, this one. Yeah, this one I was buying yesterday after hours after they reported earnings, and in the morning I got a push in pre-market 7 a.m. The retail crowd came in, pushed it, maybe Discord, I don't know. I saw it in the scanner and started selling right away. Sold between 292. Cannot see this up here, but it's 320, I think it was, and 319s and 305, something like that. And then I got about the 381 bucks in that trade early in the morning. I screwed up some of the other trades in the afternoon, so, but yeah, I'm still up for the day anyways. JD is one of the long-term holds in my portfolio. Is the one that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Yeah, it held well today after earnings pullback. Trying to consolidate. Kind of a strong day today. All these China names have been doing well. Baba and PDD and all of that. So yeah, hopefully we can see a pushback towards highs around 45, and looking left 47.82, do the breakout, and I'm expecting $50, maybe weeks ahead, days to weeks ahead. We'll see. And the last one, ACMR, is a champion champion in my portfolio. This thing is not budging at all, man. Look at that. Market could do anything it wants, and she's still hanging. hopefully I don't jinx it. We setting pretty nicely. We can break out around that 2870 and head into the 30s. That'll be good. Looking left back in April, 3340. But for this one, like I said, I've been saying for a while now, I'm holding this thing really, really for the long term. I'm expecting 12 months from now, maybe 50. We'll see. And that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, pre-market. You guys take care. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't do what I say. Just do your own thing, your own DD. And we're good. You guys take care. Have a good night. Checking out.